neuroplasticity, and pain. Your pain warning system is not just a system for the conduction of pain impulses from the periphery to the brain. Scientists now know that changes can take place in the receptors, nerves, spinal cord, and in the higher brain centers following injury, inflammation, continued use of the pain system, disuse of inhibiting factors, and learned behaviors. These changes can increase the likelihood that pain is perceived and may contribute to the development of chronic pain. The brain and nerve cells that produce pain get better and better at producing pain. They become more and more sensitive and efficient. In other words, neuroplastic changes in structure and function are not only a consequence of chronic pain, but are involved in the preservation of pain. Therefore, chronic pain can in some cases be considered a separate disease independent of the pathology that initially set off the pain warning system or alarm system. Phantom pain is pain that feels like it's coming from a body part that's no longer there. Doctors once believed this post-amputation phenomenon was a psychological problem, but experts now recognize that these real sensations originate in the spinal cord and brain. Chronic pain is not all about the body, and it's not all about the brain and nervous system. It's everything together. There is good evidence that chronic pain is associated with changes in brain function. It is possible that these brain changes compound chronic pain, and future agents may be able to prevent such complications. The nociceptive, or pain system, is not just a system for the conduction of pain impulses from the periphery to the brain. We now know that plastic changes can take place in the periphery, the spinal cord, and also in higher brain centers following injury or inflammation. These changes may increase the magnitude of the perceived pain and may contribute to the development of chronic pain syndromes. It has also been proven that emotions change how we perceive pain.